guys ready for today? What's going on, guys? Today is going to be a great day because the Rx7 is getting new wheels. And the thing about today, the wheels I'm actually picking up aren't for the Rx7. They actually be a birthday gift, and the last time I did something like this, I got this kind of reaction.
For your car?
Yeah! I'm serious! You said get cool wheels.
Good luck fitting that to your car.
It was not my car.
Actually,
Why will fit?
It's actually for your car.
yes, we have confession.
You weren't supposed to open the box. We thought you weren't gonna open it.
That's for you.
But
And
those are
then
for
you
you.
opened it, so now you have to got your Christmas present early. No
Yeah.
more questions, no more nothing.
Dad, that's really for you.
Yeah. You weren't supposed to open it. You were just supposed to sign it.
Yeah.
Bullshit! Get the fuck out of here.
Sa'yo na yan.
Seriously.
I ordered them a long time
A
ago.
long time ago. It's like months of process.
You didn't borrow money for that, do you?
No.
I paid it off.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Yeah.
Fuck that shit! Get out of my room!
Dad, I bought those for you.
Okay, you're gonna sleep on the floor. I'm gonna sleep with this on my bed.
You like them?
Yeah, he's sleeping with me. Get up, we're gonna make love.
The Rx7 is getting new wheels. I'm gonna finally get rid of the stocks. Well, not really. I'm gonna keep them just in case maybe drift spares or something. I have fun with it. I can't wait to show you guys what kind of wheels they are. But first, we gotta pick them up. So we'll be right back. Just made it to the meetup spot. Ooh, what do we see there? Japan Power. Oh, I'm excited. So I just got done talking. Wheels are all loaded up. Go back. So I'm just about home. I beat Natalie here. She kind of went out, get her hair done and whatnot. I'm gonna go unload these wheels, make a sign, and hopefully she'll be surprised. Oh yeah. You know me, I love authenticity. I just want to say before we see her reaction, I'm really bad at keeping secrets, so this took a while. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? So, I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of excited to see what she says. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh yeah, I swerved her. I told her the only thing I was getting her was a wax machine. Because she's been asking for it, but you know me. I want to go big or go home. So we'll see what she does. Oh, shut up. You think Mom will like it? You think Mom will like it? We'll find out. And now let's see her reaction.
Oh my god, no freaking way. Are these the pink ones I wanted? Shut up. No freaking way. William, stop it. so pretty. Look how pretty the pink is. Oh my goodness, William. Does Dad know?
Yeah. Well, he only found out today when I brought him.
Where'd you go get them from?
I bought him off June. He had
My love, thank you.
So here we are a couple hours later.
It's my first official brand new pair of wheels. Oh man.
Graham Lights, limited edition.
They're pink.
Sakura Pink? Is that what I want to call it? Sakura Pink. Well, happy birthday, babe. I hope you enjoyed your gift surprise.
Where's your mom?
Thank you guys for watching. And
Check
as
out my new
always,
hair.
check out our new hair. And as always,
Thumbs up, Salema, thank you.